In this video, we'll demonstrate how to do a crash reset for the Volvo SPA. This function supports repair via OBD mode. Once the X300 Classic G3 and main cable are prepared, connect the device to the vehicle. Tap Crash Reset. Select Airbag Reset, select SPA. Tap Guide and carefully read the menu description and operation introduction. Read the ECU information to verify the airbag part number. Read DTC. There is a crash-related fault code. Tap OK. Tap Erase DTC. Execution failed. Choose Erase Crash. Erase successfully. Operate, Erase DTC. Erase successfully. Read the fault codes again. The crash-related fault code was successfully erased. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.